Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how on Bybit you can use your 20 USDT reward coupon that you have stored. So there are different types of rewards that you can receive, like bonus rewards. You can receive coupons, which we're talking about. You can also receive airdrops. You can receive free discounts. You can receive APY booster. You can receive loss cover voucher. So these are different types of rewards, but right now we're specifically going to be talking about the 20 USDT voucher that you receive. It'll be a coupon basically, and the way you can use it is that it will automatically be added into a transaction that you make. If you've got more coupons, so one coupon can be added to one transaction, can be added to multiple transactions. If you have one coupon like this one, it will automatically be added on your Bybit account when you're making a transaction. And then you will be able to use it, and it will also incur the fees that's been given. So you have to keep the fees in mind as well. So it will just be attached with that, and you will be able to use it with the transaction that you have. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.